Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are talking on a big question. Why can't iPhone 6 and older models getting updated to iOS 15? But before we dive in, here's something important to know. Apple apps like WhatsApp and many other have stopped working on older iPhones like iPhone 6, 6 Plus and iPhone 5s. The main reason the devices are stuck on older iOS version like iOS 12.5.7, which are no longer supported by many applications. In this video, I'll explain why the iPhone 6 and similar models can't be updated on iOS 15 or what are your options. So let's start it. Apple has set a limit on which devices can receive iOS updates, and reason boils down to hardware limitations. Here's the main reason: processor incompatibility. The iPhone 6 runs on Apple A8 chip, which was released in iOS in 2014. iOS 15 is designed for devices with the A9 chip and newer, starting from the iPhone 6s, iPhone SE first generation, and iPhone 6s Plus. The A8 chip lacks the processing power and memory required to support the advanced features in iOS 15. Other thing is RAM limitation. The iPhone 6 only have 1 GB of RAM, which isn't enough for the resource heavy task that iOS 15 demands. Performance and battery. Updating older devices to new operating system often leads to significant battery drain and performance issues. To avoid user complaints, Apple limits updates to devices that can handle them. Apple's support cycle. Apple typically support devices for 5 to 6 years after their release. The iPhone 6 was discontinued in 2017 and its last official update was iOS 12.5.7. So, what happens if you try to update? If you try to update iPhone 6 to iOS 15, here's what will happen. No update available. When you go to settings, general and software update section, you will say it up to date on iOS 12. Third party workarounds don't work. Some websites claim to offer unofficial ways to install iOS 15 unsupported devices. Avoid these, they often lead to brick devices or malware. So what are your options now? If you are stuck with an older devices or older iOS version, here is what you can do. Upgrade to a supported iPhone. At least get the iPhone SE second generation or iPhone 11 are a great budget friendly options in 2025. They will run iOS 16, even they can be updated on iOS 18, which is running on right now, which is running the latest update right now, right? And I also iOS 19 is supported and it will work smoothly. Optimize your current iPhone. Even if you can't update, you can improve your device performance, free up some storage, replace the battery it worn out, use lightweight apps that are compatible with the iOS 12. You can use it to just make phone calls. So yeah, consider trade-in programs. Apple and other retailers offer trade-in programs for old iPhone. Use the value of your iPhone 6 to offset the cost of new devices. So, while it's disappointing that the iPhone 6 and older models can't be updated to iOS 15, it's important to understand why. These devices have great run, but it's time to move forward and new hardware if you want access to latest features and security updates. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more iPhone tips and updates. Let me know in the comments, are you still using iPhone 6 or if you're planning to upgrade soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.